Today we're making homemade mango boba milk. And we're not using store-made tapioca pearls. Instead, we'll also be making fresh mango boba pearls made completely from scratch. Start by peeling one large ripe mango, then cutting it into small chunks. Add the mango to a blender and blend until smooth. Pour the mango puree into a saucepan and cook it over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. In some places, it's sold as sagodana or tapioca pearls. If you only have tapioca pearls, simply blend them into a fine powder before using. Stir continuously until the mixture becomes smooth, glossy, and slightly gelatinous. Remove the pan from the heat and begin adding 7 to 10 tablespoons of tapioca starch, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing well after each addition. Once the mixture is cool enough to handle, knead it into a soft dough. It's perfectly fine if the surface looks slightly bumpy. Divide the dough into smaller portions and roll each one onto long ropes. Cut the ropes into small, even pieces and roll each piece into a tightly packed ball. Lightly coat the boba pearls with a little corn flour to prevent them from sticking together. Bring a pot of water to a boil and carefully add the mango boba pearls. Cook them for 5 to 7 minutes or until they become soft and bouncy. Drain the pearls and immediately transfer them to a bowl of ice-cold water to stop the cooking process and give them their signature chewy texture. Fill your serving glass about 1/4 full with the homemade mango boba. Add ice cubes until the glass is about 3/4 full. Pour in 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. In a blender, combine 1 mango with half a cup of milk until smooth, then pour about 1/4 of a cup of this mango milk into the glass. Fill the rest of the glass with cold milk and give everything a good stir before serving. And there you have it, homemade mango boba milk with chewy mango flavored pearls you made completely from scratch. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more homemade drinks and desserts, and let me know your favorite bubble tea flavor in the comments down below.